Here's how to add a bank account on the Robinhood app. First, we're going to need to go to our profile. That's the little people or person icon in the lower right. From there, in the upper left, we're going to find our menu. So when we click into the menu, we're going to see transfers down here a little bit. So we're going to go into transfers to add bank accounts. Now, we're going to have to scroll down a little bit and you'll find linked accounts. If you already have a bank account or debit card linked, you'll see them here. But if you don't, then you'll need to click add account. Now, instead of here, you're going to choose whether you're adding a debit card or a bank account. Typically, bank accounts take 4 to 5 business days, but we click on that to add the bank account. And you can do this in one of two ways. You can add a bank account with Plaid, which enables instant deposits, or you don't have to use Plaid. You can actually do it manually. I'll show you that as well. But you also don't have to log in or put in your phone number or anything. Actually, down here you see continue as guest. So you can click on that and then it's going to allow you to choose your bank. And so once you choose your bank, you log in and link your account with your bank. To do this manually, you would actually just at this point hit the exit button. So you do have to go into choosing your bank and then you hit the little X up here. It's going to ask if you're sure. You say, yes, I want to exit. And then it's going to ask you, okay, well, what account do you want to add manually? And so you can choose checking or savings. And basically, once you click on one of those, it's going to take you to the routing number, the account number, and have you add in that account manually. But that's basically it. I mean, that's how you can add a bank account or link a bank account, and you'll see any new account in this link section in transfers. That's how to add a bank account on Robinhood.